Hello my friends, it's me Ruth again. Welcome to another craft time. Today craft it will be a fabric ghost light, like this one. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's a lot of steps, but it's very simple at the end. Shall we start? So materials for this craft we need, of course, fabric, right? We will need a 1/4 cup of glue. We'll need a black paint, just a little bit. A cup, any cup that you find will work. I'll show you how to use it later. Warm water. Brushes, please, small and big ones. Try to see the round one, is very important. All right, a tape, a container to mix the glue, and we also need scissors. We also need the balloon, and we need also by the end mop pouch. This is an aerosol, but you can also use like this. Okay, and this is just to give a nice seal, and it will be turned really nice, like it will more durable if you use it. If not, you don't have to. All right, and also some lights to put on the bottom of the ghost. Okay, and some paper too. you see what we need, and some kind of to clean your hands if you need it. Like at the end you need it, not much really, but that'll work. So shall we start? So first I'm gonna cut my fabric. It's already cut it for 45 centimeters by 45. Okay, and just draw a little picture so you can see 45. Okay, one side and the other side, and we're gonna cut this corner. How we do that, I'll show you. I'm gonna flip it my fabric like that, right? So do this, and what I'm gonna do is try to be this corner, see, like that. Once I have all folded into or like this, we're gonna take one side. What side? The side that is all open, right? This corner, because we try to cut the corners of the fabric. So I'm gonna show you how it will look like when I'm done. Just gonna put my camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a little picture. This will give me a little bit point what I'm doing. All right, and I will have to do it. Just go ahead and cut it, because we don't need those corners. Okay, it doesn't matter if it don't turn nice. It doesn't matter how you cut it. Just cut the corner. Make your fabric more accessible. There you go. It will look like this. All right. So once you have this, put it aside. You don't need any more. And what we're gonna do is use your container to mix the glue. Okay. So the 1/4, we will need 2 cups of half a cup, but this is a 1/4, so I'm going to use 2. 1 and 2, maybe a little bit less, okay, because we don't need that much glue really. Okay, made a mess. So now we're going to use the glue. Glue, yes, you need quite a bit. A 1/4 cup will be enough. Get in there. Okay, once you have the glue in the container, what you're gonna do is start moving. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit moving in there. That's why it needs some warmth, because it will mix much better. Okay, and then all you have to do is this. Okay, quite strong. So it blends together more faster, and you have this kind of creamy texture. If you don't get that creamy texture, just put a little bit more glue, because maybe I did put too much water, and that will be okay. The hardest is the better, and the steady is going to be your ghost, okay, if you use it. And the reminder in the glue, you can use it for the next day if you need it more. Just reserve it, and also you can make more ghost, right? You'll see how the ghost at the end. Okay, so that's texture that I make. There you go. I like it. It's quite like creamy milk. That's for the texture. Okay, so put aside. We'll need it by later. Okay, and then what we're going to do is work with your cups. That I say cups. Try to make a line so you can cut the cup evenly, right? And we just use scissors to cut it. Okay, just pop it. See, and start cutting. Okay, once you're done cut all your cup, right? It's gonna turn just like that. Okay, see? All right, now what I needed, because the balloon needs to sit here, so you can use this one too, but yeah, you can manage it also. It's up to you. You can use glass, but for kids probably not. For adults, it's okay. And make sure you tape, right? So we're gonna use this one because it's gonna sit there for a long time for the next day. So it's gonna be that safe. So what you have to do is just tape around with that tape or any tape that you have. That's what I did, and go around the ghost and tape it. After that, you're gonna need this paper. That's what you need, the paper to go around and seal. Okay. So tape again, another tape around. So make sure you have more tape. All the tape, isn't it? Because we don't want the fabric get it to. We want the fabric goes fast back. That's why. Okay. Okay. Once you tape the paper, try to tape it well. Okay. Once you tape the paper like that, what you need to do is dip the fabric. Okay, remember here? Very simple, guys. Now my hand's gonna be messy. It's okay, right? Doesn't matter. Dip your fabric and the glue. Dip the fabric and the glue, and just put a little bit, rinse a little bit the exceed of the glue. And once you had that, just what you have to do is, yeah, it's messy. And then you have to do is just put on top of your balloon. Okay, and get the middle one. Try to get the middle one, which is just for me. But right here in my balloon, and then go all over. That's it. At the end, what you have to do is work with your sides. Okay. Flip it inside. Try to go inside to make a nice end. See? So what I do is this one go inside. There you go. And try to go, they have to touch the surface, okay? Yeah. So go around, keep working with your goals, because it will need, it just take time to make the nice ghost. You know what I mean? Yeah. For me, I think that's it. I like it like that. Okay, and then what you have to do is just let it dry, okay? And use Mod Podge at the end just to give it more hard or more glue, depends. And make sure you pop the balloon the next day or the next, as soon as dry, okay? Don't let it stay too long, because otherwise it will stick on the fabric. Use Mod Podge. Also is recommended to use some oil before in the balloon, but you don't have to. But if you want to, you can. Okay. That's it. I think that's it. Is my I'm gonna show you at the end how it's gonna be. This is the right, the end, and I'm just gonna paint some eyes. It will be black. It doesn't have specific place to put it, so I'm just gonna choose this one. Just get it in, you know. And once you're done, you know, keep working on your eyes, of course, right? It looks not, got to be even and nice. Yeah. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. Boo. Get the light and put it inside. And then it will turn really nice really at night. See, kind of flat a little bit. So that's it, my friend. This is my craft for the Halloween season, and more are coming, so keep watching and see you in the next time.